Okay.
Are you going to salute this take or are we going to steam them? And what we're going to do here is talk about some of the more controversial things that we heard this week and see if it's a take that you agree with, you salute, or if you steam it, this person deserves maybe a demerit. So let's go ahead and start with the host of the Drone Ultimatum podcast, Steve Simoni, who had on the founder of Havoc AI, Paul Wynn, this week. Let's see what they had to say.
Yeah, and they always talk about in the government. I don't even notice they always talk about capabilities.
Yeah.
I mean, I have to do it too because I'm in the game, but
Yeah.
I hate that term, like capabilities. Like it kind of degrades for me at least. I feel like it makes me into like a contractor instead of like I'm just providing capabilities.
Yeah.
But I think myself more as like a product artist, providing a new product.
Then, what do we think of this take? In the defense contracting game, product artist or capability deliverer? What do you think? Is this a salute or a steam?
I think it's like a I think it's a dance, right? You have to build stuff that people want. If people don't want a product, you're going to have to give them a capability. If people don't want a capability, you're going to have to give them a product. Some of that has to do with convincing, with education, which things like the SVDG and other people getting involved are starting to sell the idea of products instead of capabilities. But I think it's a journey that everyone together is going to have to go on both sides of that transaction.
Salute or steam?
I salute. I think we do need to move to a product world, but I think we have to be careful and slow as we do it to make sure we're bringing all the stakeholders in on the journey.